Before you spend your money on the Mirover AC, you need to hear this because what looks like a powerful portable air conditioner might not be what it claims to be. The Mirover AC is being promoted as a compact cooling solution that can supposedly handle large rooms. But when you look closely, several red flags start to appear that are hard to ignore. First, this product seems to follow a pattern we've seen before, where similar devices get rebranded every year under different names like Climify or Epicooler, which raises questions about long-term credibility. Then there are the technical claims, things like high BTU output in large coverage areas, which don't really align with the physical design of the device, especially considering it lacks a proper exhaust system, something essential for any real air conditioner to function effectively. The marketing also leans heavily on buzzwords like advanced cooling technology and polished, almost AI-generated ads, which can sometimes be used to make ordinary products seem more impressive than they actually are. On top of that, there are signs of inflated reviews and urgency tactics like limited-time discounts and low stock warnings, which are classic strategies to push quick purchases. Pricing is another point to consider, as similar units are often available at a fraction of the cost from generic suppliers. At the same time, user feedback across different platforms appears mixed, with some mentioning performance issues and difficulties with refunds. Overall, while the idea of a portable mini AC is appealing, the Mirover AC raises enough concerns that it's worth taking a step back and thinking critically before making a decision.